Hi friends, welcome to Dhatchu's kitchen. Today we are going to make our all-time favorite mutton biryani. Let's take a look at the ingredients. Half kg of mutton, half kg of Seeraga samba rice, 3 sliced onions, 2 tomatoes, 4 green chillies and some curry leaves. Some whole spices, 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste, 1 cup of mint leaves, half a cup of coriander leaves, 4 tablespoons of curd, 3 tablespoons of chilli powder, half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, half lemon, 2 tablespoons of ghee and 5 tablespoons of oil, and salt for taste. First, wash the rice and soak it with water for half an hour. Next, we need to cook the mutton, so that add the mutton pieces in a pressure cooker and add half a teaspoon of turmeric powder and half a cup of water. Close the lid and pressure cook for 6 whistles. Lit the stove and place one pressure cooker. Now I am going to add 5 tablespoons of oil. And 2 tablespoons of ghee. Once the oil is hot, we can add our whole spices. Now it's cracked well, so we can add our sliced onions. Saute well until it turns to golden brown. Now the raw smell went off and the onions also becomes golden brown. Now I am going to add 4 green chillies, some curry leaves, chopped tomatoes and 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste. Saute well until the raw smell of ginger garlic paste went off. Into this, I am going to add 3 tablespoons of chilli powder and half a teaspoon of turmeric powder. Mix it once. Now I am going to add our boiled mutton and 1 handful of mint leaves and half a cup of coriander leaves. Saute well until the masalas binded with the mutton pieces. Now we are getting excellent fragrance from the masalas, mint leaves and coriander leaves. Now I am going to add enough salt mutton stock and 4 tablespoons of curd. Mix it well. Cook for few minutes until the oil separated from the masalas. We already added half a cup of mutton stock, so I am going to add 2½ cups of water. For 1 cup of Seeraga samba rice, we need to add 1½ cups of water. Here we used 2 cups of Seeraga samba rice. Once it comes to boiling point, we can add the rice. Finally, we can squeeze off lemon. Mix it gently. That's all. Now close the lid and pressure cook for 3 whistles. Now the pressure comes down. Let's we see. Wow, awesome smell. Our biryani comes out really very well. The rice and the mutton pieces, everything cooked nicely. Let me present it. Seeraga samba rice will increase the taste of the biryani. Now our very yummy and tasty mutton biryani is ready. Please try this recipe at your home and enjoy with your family. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe my channel Dhatchu's Kitchen. I will meet you in my next video with an interesting recipe. Thank you. Bye bye.